be showing y'all how I got this super cute hairstyle, y'all. Look at these curls, baby girl. Baby girl, look at these curls, baby girl. It's some some chunky, juicy twists. I kept them in for a full week. I wasn't even wearing my scarf every day this week. Like, I was tripping, I ain't gonna lie, I was. But for my hair to still look this good, my curls are still this defined, like, yes, baby, yes. So today I'm gonna be showing y'all how I achieved my junky. Why do I keep saying junky? I did some super cute, chunky twists. I kept them in for a full week. I'm talking about going to work. I did not care. Them twists was in my head. Guys, before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell next to the subscribe button so you can receive all my post notifications on when I post. Because I said so. And because y'all want to see my content, of course. Y'all want to see my good quality content that I'm bringing to you guys every week. You feel me? So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell next to it and receive all my post notifications when I post. And now we're gonna get into the video.
Now we won't go back home today, until the very last hour. We still got a few more days to slay, it's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all.
What's up, guys? So my hair has been in for about a week. It's mad frizzy, but that's because I was not wearing my scarf or bonnet every day this week. So yeah, cause it's so frizzy, and I know y'all probably looking at it like, what the fuck is going on up here? What's really going on up here? Like, my hair is so frizzy, but my curls finna be popping. So we finna take these twists out. Ugh. Alright, that was it for my video on that super cute chunky twist out. I said chunky this time, not junky. If you guys like this video, of course, don't forget to give me a big old thumbs up because I need to know what y'all like. I need to know if y'all liking what I'm putting out. I need to know how y'all feeling about my content. So also comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, any inputs that you guys want to put as far as me uploading, what I upload, all of that. Comment down below because I would definitely love to hear you guys' opinion. I'm doing this for you guys. We're on this journey together, and I don't want you guys to feel like I'm kind of just uploading without getting your opinion, you know? So let me know in the comments down below if you want to see anything in particular. Like I said, questions, comments, concerns, input, all of that. I would love to hear it. Comment down below. Like this video, subscribe. If you do these chunky twists, especially if you use the Demore Drip DeniseLondon Hair Company Moisture Stay Hair Butter. Y'all, that butter, y'all, I really love this butter. Like, I really love this butter. Like, look at it. It's almost gone, and I have not had it for a month. It's almost gone. I kind of be overdoing it, but I love this butter. Like, I really love it. It feels so amazing. It helps my hair feel so good. Like, I'm gonna definitely put the website down in the comment below, but this is how it looks and I love it. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys saw that I've been using this a lot lately. If you guys try this hairstyle out, of course tag me in it so I can see y'all little cute selves. Let me see. Like, I would be so excited if y'all tag me and y'all chunky twist. Y'all gonna get a repost from me. Y'all gonna get all of that. So tag me. Make sure y'all tag me. I'm gonna put all my social medias down below. If you wanna DM me, if you wanna personally DM me, you also can do that on any of my social media platforms. Yeah, I'm just looking at my hair because I just look so cute, y'all. I just look so cute, y'all. Bitch. But yeah, if you guys like this video, like, comment, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. And I love you guys so much. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.